In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Tradingview. We're focusing on a simple but essential skill: how to exit full screen in Tradingview so you can get your toolbars and menus back whenever you need them. Full screen mode is great when you want a clean, distraction-free view of your chart, but once it's time to add indicators, draw, or tweak settings, you'll want to pop back into the regular view quickly and confidently. On the web or desktop app, the fastest method is the keyboard shortcut. If you're on Windows, press the Escape key. On a Mac, press Escape as well. And if your keyboard doesn't have a dedicated Escape key, use Fn plus Escape. This instantly brings back your toolbar and menus. If pressing Escape doesn't seem to work, make sure the Tradingview window is active and your chart area is selected by clicking on it once, then try again. You can also exit full screen with an on-screen button. Move your mouse to the top right corner of the screen and watch for the exit full screen icon, usually shown as two arrows pointing outward. Click it and you'll return to the standard chart layout with your side panel and top menu visible. Another reliable option is the context menu. Right-click anywhere on the chart to open the menu, then choose Exit Full Screen. This is handy if you prefer using the mouse and want a consistent method that doesn't rely on memorizing shortcuts. On the mobile app, whether you're using Android or iPhone, just tap anywhere on the chart